Maths can be a challenging subject, but with the right approach, it can also be very rewarding one. In this video, we will share you some tips on how to study maths efficiently. Have you ever found yourself staring at a maths problem for hours? Feel like you are making no progress? It's common experience for all of us. But it doesn't have to be that way. With some simple strategies, you can make the most of your study time and see real results. Our first tip is to make sure you have a solid foundation in the basics of maths. This means understanding the core concepts and principles that underlie everything else you learn. If you are struggling with a particular topic, go back and review the fundamentals until you feel confident in your understanding. Once you have a good grasp of basics, you will find that more complex topics comes much easier. Practice is the key when it comes to mastering maths. The more problems you solve, the more comfortable and confident you will become with material. Make sure to work through plenty of practice problems and don't be afraid to ask for help if you get stuck. Remember that it's okay to make mistakes. They are a natural part of the learning process. The more important thing is to learn from them and keep moving forward. To make maths more engaging and relevant, try to find real-world applications for the topic you are studying. This could be anything from calculating the area of a room to figuring out a discount on a sale item. By seeing maths in action, you will be more motivated to learn and retain the information. Finally, remember to stay positive and keep a growth mindset. With hard work and dedication, anyone can become proficient in maths. By following these tips and staying focused on your goals, you will be well on your way to success. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your math studies. This video is brought to you by JJ International.